are you all? I hope you all are staying safe and taking care of yourselves and your loved ones, and also getting into the Diwali mode. Now, as you might have already read the title, this is going to be a home decor haul. Now, I know काफी लोगों ने मुझे request किया था to do a festive wear haul, but to be very honest and truth be told, I did a kurta haul very recently, and I am most probably going to be wearing something from that haul for Diwali too. So I didn't see, I didn't feel like shopping more clothes for, just for a haul. So I really request you guys to go check out that kurta haul. I'm going to link the video in the description down below. In fact, the kurta that I'm wearing right now is also from that haul. But what I was actually really excited to shop for was some really cute and useful home decor stuff. And I'm very excited to show it to you guys because firstly, this is my first home decor haul on my channel. And I'm sure lots of more are going to come soon. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that I picked up was this set of 4 glass jars. These are tea light holders. So they also came with the tea lights, and they are made of glass, and I really like the starry detailing on it because when it's lit up it looks really pretty. The MRP for this was actually 1499, but I got it on a discount for rupees 569 only, and they were like a set of 4, so it was actually pretty worth the buy, and they look really pretty when lit up. You can actually place them in your living rooms, your drawing rooms, your bedsides, and they will look equally pretty everywhere. And because it's going to be the Diwali season, it's the perfect buy. Now, the second thing that I picked up were these really cute planters. They weren't a set, I bought them separately. Now, I know they're slightly expensive. Each of them costs about 2800, that's the MRP, but I got it on a discount of 980 rupees each. I've always wanted to get myself planters, and these looked so cute that I had to finally pick some for myself. These can be placed literally anywhere, your bathroom, your work desk, your dressing table, and they will look cute everywhere. I literally fell in love with them because I think it was worth the money. They are super rich looking, very heavy, and in fact everything was packed so nicely and delivered that it doesn't even have a little scratch on it, so I was super impressed. And if you guys are looking for planters, I highly recommend these because they also have different designs. So this one is like a frog, and this one I think is a cat, but they had a lot of other designs as well, so they look super cute. Moving on to the next thing that I picked up was this really cute trinket tray from Chumbak. Now, I know Chumbak is a very popular brand, so you guys might have heard of it, and personally I do feel like it gets expensive at times, but this one was only for 290 bucks, this little tray, and it has these 3 stands also niche, and I picked it up because I want to keep my regular necklaces or earrings that I wear on a daily basis to just like put them here on the dressing table, which is why I picked it up. But I do want to mention that it got a little chipped during delivery. Everything else that I got was perfectly packed. Even this was really nicely packed, but I don't know why it got a little chipped. But apart from that, I think it's really pretty. Also, it's handcrafted, so that's just great. Now, all of the things that I've shown you guys till now are from Myntra, and the last thing that I picked up from Myntra was this pillow cover. It has this text written on it. I don't know how you pronounce it. I think it's called Huga, I guess, but it says that it is, what it means is that it is an atmosphere of warmth, well-being, and coziness when you feel at peace and able to enjoy simple pleasures and being in the moment. Now, I've seen a story and Instagram filter that has this word in it, so I obviously got attracted because of that, and I like the concept of having some text on your pillow cover, so I picked this up, although I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I thought it was pretty cute and I love the pink color in it, so I picked it up. This was for 400 something. Now, before I move on to the rest of the haul product, I actually got some gifts for my family this time. Now, I'll tell you the funny thing. So you guys know I'm shooting videos every week, so I have, either I'm ordering stuff for hauls or, brands are sending me stuff to try out and review and all of that. So I'm almost getting a courier almost every day, or at least every alternate day. Now, every time my mom sees that, and every time she looks at me and she's like, "Acha, mere liye kuch mangwaya hai, mere liye kuch aaya hai," sort of a thing. So you know what? I thought since Diwali is coming up, I'll actually order something not just for her, but my dad and my brother as well. So I was obviously confused for the longest time as to what to get them, but I knew that I want to get something personalized that they will actually make use of. And I knew that Kama Ayurveda has a lot of gifting options that you can actually personalize, and they start at just about 650 rupees, and of course they can go up to depending on your budget. So I hopped onto their website and picked up some things that I knew my parents and my brother is gonna love. So let me show you guys. So for my dad, I picked up the Gardens of India gift box. It's a set of 3 soaps. Now the reason I picked this up was because the other day I heard him tell my mom to order some soaps for him, and he loves these pure natural fragrance soaps. So when I saw this, I knew this was like the perfect gift for him. So I picked this up for him. It has 3 soaps, Tulsi, Rose and Khas, which he absolutely loves. For my mom, I picked up this Rose Essentials gift box, especially because it had rose in all of its products, and my mom is a major fan of this ingredient. Now this gift box had a lip balm, a soap, a bath and body oil, a face cleanser, and also the rose water mist. Now I know she would love these products because it had rose as the major ingredient, of course, and which is why I thought this was perfect for her. For my brother, I picked up this Rose and Jasmine face care gift box. Now the reason being, he keeps using my face washes, my face cleansers and my face mist. So I thought it was high time I get him his own bottles. And of course he actually liked them, and at least he'll stop using mine now. Also got a gift for my sister, which was actually just a gift card box, so she can pick up whatever she wants because I couldn't really decide what to get her. I'm going to be sending this over to her in Agra. So that is what I got for my family for Diwali this time. And if you guys are also looking for some gifting ideas, I think I will highly recommend you guys to go check out Kama Ayurveda. They have a lot of personalized gifting options, and all their products are infused with Ayurvedic goodness, which I think is very good. I actually love Ayurvedic products, especially because they are pure and very natural and super fragrant. So if you guys do want to check them out, I'm going to mention the link in the description box. You can just tap there and check it out. The major reason that I love their gift boxes and I prefer them because the packaging itself is so beautiful and it's so well done and exquisite, which makes them the perfect gifting options for Diwali. Okay, now coming back to the haul, the next thing that I picked up was this clothing rack from Amazon. I actually posted it on my Instagram story also when it actually got delivered, and I was super impressed with it. I have been wanting to buy a rack since a very long time, but because it was online, I was very skeptical about the quality. This one is bamboo and is actually very good quality. I was super impressed, and it was just for $24.99. Obviously, I'm going to mention the link down below, but I know that it is currently out of stock. There's another version of it which is slightly wider that is available, and that's for around 3K, so in case you guys want to consider that for yourself. Also, along with the clothing rack, I also ordered some wooden hangers. I'm going to show you on the screen. These were actually plain wooden hangers, but my mom actually jazzed them up a little bit by doing her little handcraft thing. She actually has her own home decor website, so I'm going to link it down below. You guys must check it out and support my mom. She makes a lot of these home decor things which are handcrafted. She actually gifted me on my birthday this lipstick box, which I think is really pretty. This is all her handwork, and she makes a ton of things. I'll also show you guys her Instagram page on the screen, so do go follow her there as well. And they are all customizable depending on the color that you want or the design as well. My favorites from her collection are of course the lipstick boxes, the multi-purpose organizers, and these drawer trays, which you can actually make a complete tea set out of, and I absolutely love them. So make sure that you guys go check out my mom's website and support her as well. Now moving on to the second last thing of this haul, I actually picked up these string lights which were shaped like a bottle cork shape. You can actually put these in any empty wine bottles or glass bottles, and it looks absolutely pretty. My sister actually has these, which is why I picked these up because I found them really fascinating. Now the last thing that I got was this glass mason jar. I actually had a sipper when I was back in Delhi. It was from Miniso. It was this really cute glitter sipper, but when I was shifting, I lost it or misplaced it somewhere. So I had to get this for myself, and this was just for rupees 189, which is super cheap, and this is really good quality. Like I said, everything was delivered really well packed to me, so there was no damage done to any of the products. This has actually helped me drink a lot more water, so I highly recommend that you guys get yourself these mason jars with these straws as well, because it actually really helps. So that was it with my home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you enjoyed the little surprise for my fam, and I really wish you guys pick something up from these because I actually recommend all these products. They are very useful and very cute as well. Of course, gifting ideas, remember to check out Kama Ayurveda because this is the gifting season and you guys need to pick something up for your friends and family. That's it for now. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.